We're going to foam roll the quadriceps now. Starts from just above the knee to the top of the hip. So you're going to lie face down on that foam roller and you want to scan that entire quad from the top of the hip all the way down to the kneecap. And you're going to seek out some painful centers, and when you find that painful center, you want to stay on it. And if on a pain scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most painful, never let it get above a number 7 so your nervous system can relax and allow that spasm just to release. And you want to get it down to about 50%, so maybe around a 2 or a 3, and then you move on to the next spot. Make sure that you work the entire quadriceps, which is a big muscle. You got outer quad, inner quad, and you could also play with some different positions with your knee. Once you find a good spot, you could start flexing at the knee. You could also rotate at the hip so that you can get some different angles and loosen up that quad.